case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This New York Times legal story starts with the gripping case of Tho Dinh Tran versus the Alphonse Hotel Corporation, heard in 2002 by the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. At the heart of this legal battle was an alleged violation of the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, and the audacious accusation of bribery. In this roller coaster legal battle, Mr. Tran recollected working for over 90 grueling hours per week, while the defendants turned a deaf ear to his pleas for just wages. Compounding the situation was the alleged bribery of union officials, which undercut any hope of being paid at the standard union rate. It comes as no surprise that the case caught the attention of the courts and eventually wound up in the hands of the district court. The district court relied heavily on Mr. Tran's heartfelt and credible testimony, which painted a bleak picture of his work situation. Finding in favor of Mr. Tran, the court calculated his unpaid wages, including overtime, and based on the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO, it awarded him $599,498.55. Unsatisfied with the court's verdict, both parties appealed. The defendants sought to challenge Mr. Tran's supposed lack of evidence regarding his work hours. Mr. Tran, on the other hand, took issue with errors in calculating his overtime rate and the dismissal of his Labor Management Relations Act, LMRA, and state law claims. Navigating a thicket of arguments and appeals, the court took a refreshingly clear stance. Upholding most of the district court's findings, it affirmed Mr. Tran's painful 90 hours work weeks and his unjust wages. A recalculating of overtime, however, brought Mr. Tran's damages down to $232,215.64. In a further twist, the court backed the district court's decision to dismiss Mr. Tran's RICO claim and declined to reinstate his LMRA and state tort claims. The curtain fell on this courtroom drama, with the case being remanded for final judgment in accordance with the appeals court's findings. The underdog may not have won everything he was hoping for, but the wheels of justice turned decidedly in his favor.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.